Welcome to Awcroft's YouTube channel, your world for information. Vanakkam, welcome to the language learning series, Tamil language learning. Today's topic is one letter words in Tamil. We call it as ஓர் எழுத்து ஒரு மொழி. Okay, let's go to the words. A. The word A, single letter word, is for cow and bullock. T is for fire. Na is for tongue. Pa is for song or beauty. Pu is for flower. O is for go. Va is for come or calling. Kai is for hand. Ko is for king or god. Ku refers to world or cave. Chi is a word of frustration. E, to give, to donate, or housefly. U, flesh or food. It's also called as oon. Oon is flesh or food. I is beautiful. 5, leader. Ma, mango tree. Big refers to land also, refers to animal. Me, top, sky. Sa, death. Su, to chase away. So, wall or defense. No, pain. Ma, moon. Say is morning. Tu, white. Key, noise. Tai, it is name of a month, also for stitching, title, tai. It's also called tai. I is for exclamation. O is for questioning. My is for eyeliner or darkness. Some simple Tamil words. Ni, you, sari, fine. Kadi, bite. Pidi, catch. Padi, staircase. Padi, read. Nadi, act. Tudi, shiver. Mudi, hair. Tadi, stick. Badi, cook. Ur is town or city. Par, world. Veedu, home or house. Teevu, island. Teru, street. Veedi is also street. Oli, Oli, if the la is sound is high, it's light. If it is low, it is sound. We say Oli for both. Oli, Oli. Nada is for walk. On, man. Pen, women. Budi, jump. Odu, run. Podu, throw. Yeri, throw. Pace, speak. Nilam, land. Marai, abscond. Marai, holy book. Marai, rain. Hope you enjoyed the learning today. Nandri.